Hi, my name is Carolyn, and I'm going to show you how I made avocado toast for breakfast this morning. Did you know that despite their green color, avocados are a fruit, and the big seed in the center is called the pit? Now your first step is to get your knife and then cut one long slice all the way down the outside of the avocado. Twist to open it and take that pit out. Your next step is to slice all the way down the avocado. Set your knife aside, grab your spoon, and then go ahead and scoop out those avocado slices and lay them flat on your piece of toast. After that step is your toppings. And I really like tomatoes, so I'm going to go ahead and cut some tomato triangles, put them on top, as well as a squeeze of lemon juice. Here I am, sprinkling salt and pepper on top, and my next two toppings are olive oil and balsamic glaze. And it was really good, and so I'm going to use my other piece of avocado toast to give my mom some breakfast with an egg, parsley, and sun-dried tomatoes. That's all. Thanks for joining me for breakfast.